Hi, this is Eric Moss, back at Arnell's gym. It's still pretty cold outside, and I'm here to teach you week 2 of the 12-week program. If you haven't watched week 1, go ahead and do that right now. I guess since you're still here, you've already seen it, so we can continue talking about kettlebells. Kettlebells are very important to the athletes in the former Soviet Union. It doesn't take a historian to tell you just how effective they were. They've recently taken the US by storm in the past couple of years, and they're very popular amongst fighters like BJ Penn, Sean Shirk, as well as a couple boxers. Sylvester Stallone uses these, and he actually used them in Rocky VI. And I'm going to continue right where we left off last week. The first exercise I'm going to show you this week is another variation of the swing called the one-handed swing. Again, if I was muscling it up, I wouldn't be able to do it. I'll show you me trying to muscle it up. It doesn't work that way. Instead, arms again are going to be like ropes. And I'm going to just kind of swing it with one hand this time. This has a tendency to try to pull you in a little bit of a different way, which also challenges the core. And every once in a while, you're going to want to change it. Always change it at the top. Just like that. Very challenging on the grip. Now the next one is going to be a continuation of the Turkish Getup. Where last week, I showed it to you with just switching the feet at the top. Again, using my empty hand to help push myself up. With the foot switch, from here, you're just going to push yourself over until you're supported on 3 points. My foot, my knee, which I'm not going to lift up, and my other hand. Notice that my other hand forms a straight line from the kettlebell to the ground. And then back down. We're going to keep the reps at 4 now. So 2, push myself up, supported on 3 points. 3. 4. A very important point I want to stress is don't rush through that exercise, since it's a time under tension exercise. Turkish get-ups typically take a while to complete just 1 rep. So I'm going to go through a sample round of how this week is going to work. You should have a basic foundation of how it works first. I want you to perfect the moves before you actually start working out with them. Because I don't want you to build bad habits until you have it correct. I'm going to switch my hands on the 10th rep for the swings. I always like to start with my left side since that's the weaker of the 2. So I'm going to do 20 reps total. 1, 2, try to synchronize your breathing. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Take a couple breaths, because that challenges the aerobic system. And again, I like to start with my left side. One, 2, 3. 4. And the other side. Very important to keep my eye on the kettlebell. You don't need to look for the floor. The floor will always be there. Two. 3. And one more. 4. By the time we've perfected the Turkish Getup, that'll provide enough overhead stability strength for further lifts. I'm Eric Moss. If you want more information, go to oldschoolworkouts.com or check out my blog ericjmoss.com or my other website rockbodyfitness.com. Peace out.